but a lot of the companies that are getting the funding, they're not qualified. They have a good idea, and the money's just throwing money at them.
Right.
Now, let's get into people of color, Black, Asian, Hispanic, what have you, that companies that are underfunded, largely underfunded, because the perception is maybe the business acumen isn't there, or the mindset, or even your whole business model is not in place. So I subscribe to you. We have to, this is the time now for people of color, people who are seeking a few $1 million to just put the plan together and go for it.
Right.